Hey mamas, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Jade by Jade. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a vlog where I'm gonna be doing grocery shopping and getting some organization for the house and doing some online shopping and making dinner. I got my hair done yesterday from Jamal. He did such a good job. I'm gonna put the information to his booking in the description box. And of course, this is Dare to Have Hair, your Raging Curly. So I'm up and out early today and we're gonna go to Home Goods, we're gonna go to Target, we're gonna go to Whole Foods maybe. Yeah, we just got a lot going on. So sit back, relax, and let's get into this vlog. So now we're going to my favorite restaurant to get a salad, which is Chopped. I just ordered Lokes some Shake Shack and I'm going to Chop now because he's watching a baby and we literally have no food in the house. I need to go grocery shopping. So your girl needs to stop and get a salad, okay? I added an egg and tomatoes and pickled red onions and it is so good, y'all. But yeah, make sure y'all try this. Hey guys, so we are at the Container Store now and literally Target is right across the street, so I'm happy that I came to the one in Buckhead because I could just get everything I need to get done in one walk. So let's get to it. This is the office section. Y'all know I'm gonna come back here when it's time to organize my office, but for now we need to focus on my fridge and under the sink. Okay guys, it's a little dark, but this is this fridge organization and one of my favorite YouTubers, I'm sorry, not YouTuber, Instagrammer, she sent me a link to fridge organization that is actually cheaper on Amazon, but I'm gonna still just get it anyway. But now y'all know y'all can get it cheaper on Amazon. So I'm gonna get this and the one for eggs and drinks. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I did. I get in a hurry sometimes.
Okay guys, so I spent like an hour and a half inside the Container Store just trying to see if I needed everything, and I gave myself a budget because I will go crazy, but I could have got some of this stuff off of Amazon, for real. I seen a set for the stuff that I got kind of sort of for like $30 on Amazon, but whatever. So now we're on our way to Target. When I come to Target, I love to check out the $5 section and just see what little cute stuff they have over here. Just getting some cleaning supplies. I'm actually, oh, they got Lysol. Look what I found. Never have too much Lysol. But I'm gonna get some cleaning stuff. And I'm gonna try to switch to some more organic stuff. Body scrubs. I keep these in my fridge and also clean this for outside. This is my favorite body wash. And then I got these for Celine. It's a natural type of liquid, I think, to help with her gums. Some mouthwash. And let's see how these bins look on my shelf. So yep. And we're about to get out of here. Look what I found. I'm at Home Goods and I found this stuff actually cheaper. So I'm telling y'all, y'all need to go to Home Goods and get this stuff, y'all, okay? Much cheaper. So I'm home now.
Yeah, tell them how you left your daughter here all day.
I am back from the store and I'm about to organize the fridge And I guess you could just watch me do this. This is the before. I'm gonna get rid of everything and start from scratch, okay?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay guys, so I finally finished. I'm sorry that y'all couldn't watch me organize. I messed up my tripod, but I love it. Most of this stuff, the only thing that I used from the Container Store is this. That's it, y'all. So I'm gonna go take the rest of the stuff back because I got all this stuff for like half of the price. Like, I love it. It looks so freaking good. So I hope you guys like this. Guys, so now I'm going to tackle this. This is a freaking mess. Okay guys, so this is my under the sink cabinet. So this drawer pulls out. I have all Celine's cleaning supplies, then wipes right here, and this is a pull-out drawer that I got from the Container Store. Trash bags, all my cleaning supplies. Down here I have like the Unstoppables smell good things. These are my dish pods, sponges, rags, and my Scrub Daddy, and my baking soda for the fridge. So nice. Y'all, so I ended up making dinner. This is lump crab cakes with mashed potatoes, cream spinach, and a Creole aioli sauce. But yeah, this is Loke's plate. It looked so
Stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
I'm so tired right now, and my feet hurt. So I'm about to take a bath. And I don't know if I'm gonna make this a two-part vlog where I'm gonna show y'all organizing behind like the storage place behind my door in my bathroom. But if I don't, if I don't do a two-part, then I'm gonna be ending this video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you shop JadeHaveHair.com, and see you guys in the next video.